Hi, I'm Julian, and for my Arduino project, I wanted to make a video game controller. So here's my controller right here. It's called the Arduino Entertainment System, if you will. But basically what I did was, I found well, to start off, I found this program called Scratch. I wanted to recreate a video game. Okay, so to make this game, I used a proprietary program called Scratch, and what it is, it's great for making sketches of, say, interactive media like games, or if you want to make a simple like story or some kind of widget that you want to make for an application in the future. You would use this to make maybe a draft of that idea, just to get it on screen, like really quickly and really fast, in a simple, non-complicated way. And I found out that they made this thing called the Pico board, and what it is, it's full of sensors like sliders and light sensors, buttons, and it's a way for a user to interact with their Scratch projects. And I found out it was actually very similar to the Arduinos that we were working with, and I used a potentiometer for the controller and a push button which interacts with the Arduino, and programmed that into the Arduino code there. And once you upload it, you get the same response that you would get from a Pico board, and using that response on the Pico board to the Scratch program, it interacts with the board as just any other game controller. Okay, so the reason I chose Centipede is because I used a push button and a potentiometer on the Arduino to control whatever game I was gonna have the controller control, basically. But the thing about Centipede is the player's vessel is limited to the game board, and since a potentiometer has a limited range of motion, it doesn't go exactly 360 degrees. It's perfect for this game. Okay, let me just demonstrate how this works on Scratch. First off, the game starts when you hit this green flag, and you see the start button, and you can see I could control the cursor there using this potentiometer. It's basically a dial, and since it's a limited range of motion from 0 to 100, you see it translated from on the screen there, just to kind of help with my testing. And this actually shows the coordinates of the player's cursor. And whenever you hit the button, you will shoot, and it says right there if it's true or false when I press the button. So hitting the start button starts up the game. You see the mushrooms there, and the centipede will come out along with a random spider, and you could play it just like in the arcades. 100 points for the spider. And it works pretty well.